Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Looking for a way to make money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. With ChatGPT, the world's most advanced AI language model, you're about to discover the top 5 ways to make money online without ever leaving your couch. So sit back, grab a notepad, and get ready to discover the secrets to financial freedom. Chatbots. Chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with customers, and they're a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to make money online. By using ChatGPT, you can create custom chatbots for businesses to help them with customer service, sales, and marketing. For example, you can create a chatbot for an e-commerce store that helps customers find products, answer questions, and complete orders. Not only is this a great way to make money online, but it also provides valuable services to businesses that need it. Content generation. ChatGPT is an amazing tool for content creation, and businesses are always in need of high-quality content. By using ChatGPT, you can write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and even social media posts for businesses. This is a great way to make money online, and it's also a great way to showcase your writing skills. For example, you could write blog posts for a fashion website or product descriptions for an online store. The opportunities are endless. Translation services. With the global economy growing, more businesses are looking for ways to reach new customers in different languages. ChatGPT makes it easy to provide translation services to businesses, and it's a great way to make money online. For example, you can use ChatGPT to translate websites, product descriptions, or even social media posts for businesses. This is a valuable service that businesses are willing to pay for, and it's a great way to make money online. Virtual assistants. Businesses are always looking for ways to streamline their operations and save time, and virtual assistants is a great way to do that. By using ChatGPT, you can provide virtual assistant services to businesses such as scheduling appointments, managing email, and more. This is a great way to make money online, and it's also a great way to help businesses save time and focus on what they do best. Customer support. Customer support is a crucial part of any business, and ChatGPT makes it easy to provide this service to businesses. By using ChatGPT, you can create custom chatbots that can handle customer support requests, answer questions, and even escalate complex issues to a human support team. This is a great way to make money online, and it's also a great way to provide valuable services to businesses that need it. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods provide a great starting opportunity to earn a lucrative stream of income. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the amazing world of ChatGPT, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.